Okay guys, this is how my frontal turned out. I feel like Pocahontas. I'm shirtless by the way, I'm sorry. But that's how I do. Welcome to Afro My Caribbean Hell. Please subscribe. Anyway. Okay guys, so this is how the wig actually came. Let's open it up. It's from the Binf hair company, if I'm not mistaken. That's called human hair, yeah, Binf. And this is an Aliexpress fender. It came with 2 hair ties that look like 4. It came with a wig cap. This is kind of, I think it might be a little too dark for my skin, at least my face. But yeah, this is also a wig cap, and this is the actual wig. The hair, it's not straight out the box because I've opened the box before, so that's why it's looking a little frizzy. But let me give you guys a close up so you can see the quality. There's like a, I don't know what this is, white hair right there, but yeah, just so you guys can see. And it is body wave. So the hairline is absolutely not plugged. I mean, the front does look a little plugged, but when you get to the side, it's not plugged at all. So this is the wig straight out the box. I mean, I look crazy, but it feels really soft. I think this is probably, feeling wise, the best hair I've had in a while. It just feels super soft. I mean, of course I'm gonna wash it and see how it's gonna feel afterwards, because you know, these silicones, honey. It feels really soft. So this is what the unplugged side is looking like, and this side I'm actually not done plucking, but this is what it's looking like right now. Plucked a little bit. And this is the amount of hair I plucked out of the wig on that one side. I'm actually still not done plucking, so this is quite a bit. This is what it looks like after I'm done plucking. This is like my 3rd time or 2nd time plucking ever, so do not judge me, okay? But I think it looks pretty good. Only thing I have to do is bleach the knots now. I didn't want to like pluck it after I bleached it because I didn't want the knots to be, or the lace to be super fragile, so that's why I'm bleaching it last. Okay, so after plucking the wig, this is all I plugged. So this is all the hair I plugged from the frontal. That's a lot. So this is how the wig is constructed, you guys. It has 1, 2, 3, and 4 wig combs, and also one of those things in the back that you could, that looks like a bra strap actually, that you could tighten so your wig could fit like really snug. And yeah, that's what it looks like. Now I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots. So this is the consistency of my bleach. It's like, you know, relaxer, like that. It's really thick. As you can see, it doesn't drip. So this is in my sink. Let me zoom in real quick. As you could see, it's not really seeping through the lace. The little bits you see in the front are actually the powder. So that's not going to activate or do anything. And I've never really made the bleach mixes well before, where it's thick enough but not too thick, or thin enough but not too thin. So I'm proud of myself. So this is what it looks like after I bleached the knots and plucked it. Guys, I don't know if I over plucked it or not, but we will see when we dry it and put it on my head. But look at that lace though! Or is it just lack of hair though? We'll see. So I put some powder. Actually, let me take a quick look. This is by L'Oreal True Match, and it's in the color, I have no idea because there's a huge sticker on it, but it's this powder right here. I don't know if it's mocha or, oh no, it's called Deep Golden 10D. So don't mind my ashy face. This is what the hair looks like. The hairline, I think I might have overplucked it a little bit, but that's totally okay because it looks super natural and hella flat on my head. Like, this is my side little part or whatever. Who is she? Like a hairstylist? Like, what? My middle part, I think I definitely overplucked that, so I'm gonna wear it to the side. Ugh. Guys, I live for this wig. This is 100% the best quality wig I've ever gotten from Aliexpress. Like, the density is perfect. It's not completely dry yet, but look at that. Oh, it's so smooth, and I love this. I love this. 10 out of 10 would recommend, guys. And I put this knot wrap. I bought this at Lush. It's one of the vintage knot wraps. I work at Lush, so I hoard these. I buy a lot of them, way too many, but they're so cute though. I wore this one as a shirt in my climbing the highest, you know, mountain slash hill in Curacao video. If you haven't seen that, I'm gonna link it down below and put it in the info cards. But yeah, that's where I got this from, and it's holding it super tight. So I'll see you guys when it's dry. As you guys can see, the ball cap method definitely works. I look like a whole man now. Anyway guys, I'm gonna lay this down with some got to be glued, the ultra glue, the black one, and then I'm gonna spray some got to be glued freezing spray, the yellow one, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that, so I'll inform you guys in about when I'm done applying this. You guys can see I literally have a two head, like whatever. I put way too much on, but we're gonna cut that off nice and neat later, so it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna use my bow tie by Phyllis. It actually comes with like a comb up there, but it's a little more tacky, but I'm gonna let it air dry now and just use my hands. It's not air dry, but whatever. I'll come back to you guys when the wig is on my head. See you in a sec. Okay guys, this is how my frontal turned out. I feel like Pocahontas. I'm shirtless, by the way, I'm sorry. But that's how I do. Welcome to Afro Man Caribbean Hell. Please subscribe. Anyway, this is how it turned out, guys. I'm like living though. I mean, I probably have to lay it down a little better over here because my lace is lifting, and it's gonna be about 30 something degrees today, like 37. No, a little less. That's in Celsius, by the way, not Fahrenheit. But anyways guys, it's gonna be hot as fuck. Hopefully this shit will stick to my head. But don't I look like Pocahontas? I'm not trying to be Pocahontas, bitch. She knows who she is, but I look cute though. Let me get you guys a close up. Like, if I turn my head this way, you could see it a little bit. But what lace? What lace? Okay, that side is not cute. I like the middle part a lot, but a side part is cute as hell, I can't lie. I need to brush through this hair, but anyway, I really like it, guys. Amazing quality. Only thing I do have to say, like a downside of this hair, it sheds so much. I was like, bitch, it's not gonna be hair left on my head. But it looks nice and natural though, so I don't mind that. I live. My two head is like, oh, you know, my two fingers still fit, so ew. Okay guys, so I was like, you know what, fuck that, I ain't gonna get dolled up. This is what my hair looks like. I like the side part. Only this part would be. I live for this hair, guys. I put a little bit of waves in it because I straightened it. I blow dried it before because I needed it to be dry. I'm super happy with the results. Only have to put a little bit more powder right here. I'm really proud of myself. I never knew I could do this. Bitch, it's my first time. I went. And yeah, the hair is beautiful. If you want thick hair, I would recommend to buy a different wig or maybe ask for more density because this one is pretty thin. It's not super thick. I like it because it looks really natural. But yeah, guys, this hair just sheds a little bit, as I already told you guys. But I'm really content with the results, and I look amazing, bitch. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.